welcome back to the channel. It's a very exciting day today. I finally got all the pieces I need for the build. I got the Cobb turbo back exhaust, I got the Cobb intake, I got an HKS blow-off valve. We are on site at JZ Auto Works. Pretty excited because this is a moment where, you know, we get to finally get under the hood. I'm so excited for this to actually be happening finally, like after months. I just got married a few days ago. One of the conditions that, you know, me and my wife had were that we get married first and then I can start working on the car. Well, I got married, y'all. So let's get this going.
This right here is completely stock, and today we are transforming it into a whole new beast. I got the full exhaust system, blow-off valve, access port, all the goodies.
We're gonna get a quick before and after. I'm gonna go ahead and have the current exhaust, which is the factory exhaust, to kind of give you an idea of how it sounds before we install the Cobb exhaust turbo backing system, so you guys can actually hear the difference between the factory exhaust and the Cobb aftermarket exhaust. When they put my parts up there, so Zeke is being generous enough to actually climb up there, because I mean, I ain't scared of nothing. I'm, you know, because he actually works here, so if I fall, you know, I'm not covered, but if he falls, he's covered. So, but I'm not scared of nothing. I'm just saying, like, I would do it, but because I'm not on work here, he's gonna have to do it. Blow-off valve, it's the black edition, primarily because of the sound. I'm looking for good sound, so this is what I wanted to go with. Had to get the Cobb access port to really get the stage 2 J-pipe all the way down. More Cobb stuff. This is the intake.
So deep, put her ass to sleep.
Alright, so quick update. The Cobb exhaust system that I bought was for the WRX. A little bit of bad news, the downpipe is the one for the WRX. I'm gonna see if I can exchange the pipes out. If I can exchange the pipes out, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get the exhaust on. We're gonna go ahead and get the intake on. And then on top of that, the friggin' blow-off valve I got, which is HKS, unfortunately does not have the flange, so you need that as well. So word to everybody out there that's doing this, definitely make sure that you read everything, because sometimes these things happen. I'm gonna go ahead and get a quick video of the car being started, and then when we get the proper downpipe, do another video of that. So we're gonna wait to do the intake, we're gonna wait to do the access port, We're gonna wait to do the blow-off valve, and we're just gonna do everything in a different video and then show you everything all at once. But I am gonna go ahead. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, buddy.
How you doing,
How are
buddy?
you?
Hey, how you
Pretty
doing?
good.
So we're gonna go ahead and get that quick video of the car being started.
Alright, cross your fingers. Nope.
I'm gonna call it a night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do thank you all for watching. Have a good night, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.